Hi everyone, I'm Lex, CEO of Bountie. Our mission is to create the ultimate platform for gamers to work, shop, and play together. We want to connect gamers and empower them to improve the gaming industry.
The esports industry has been consistently plagued by unfair competitions. From a cultural perspective, gaming is considered a waste of time because of the lack of opportunity and monetization value. There were also very little forms of official records in this space when gamers compete feats of achievements. All these problems are interconnected, and we want to solve them by being the fair and neutral party.
Also, we believe that gaming is akin to music. It is transnational and transcultural, bringing you happiness any time of the day from the moment you log on. Apart from the digital platform, we make physical spaces which gamers are familiar in. Our flagship arena consists of 110 gaming PC, and we have a stage space for events. You can also get a quick bite and get back to your games quickly. We do this to allow the digital and physical spaces to come together. While esports could be you at home playing, it could also bring people out to enjoy together.
Bountie is more than just a platform or arena, and we want to build on this momentum of esports to grow further.
We are ambitious, and what you see here are just the first steps towards our goal of empowering gamers and the esports ecosystem. But this journey is not going to be easy. There are no walkthroughs or quests to follow. We are constantly evolving and learning along the way, and we need your help to make it possible. And together, we will make gaming a career possible.